Thank you very much. And I should say, maupay nga gabi nga tanan, or good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Matrica May Centino. I am an AB Mass Communication graduate at the Leyte Normal University, where being a transgender woman in the society is not to diminish our humanity. Our only purpose in living is to love and to be loved, to contribute and be prosperous. Proudly representing the Kawayan Banigan Festival of the resilient people of the Waray-Waray community of Leyte and Samar, Philippines, distinguished panel of the Board of Judges. Now, sir, and all the audience tonight, I'm standing by the name of your once a sexy, controversial actress. Call me by the name of Miss Alec Bovek. From the bottom of my heart, God bless everyone, and never ever forget this before you leave your house. Just be mystified and be positive and be optimistic every time you face life, because life is too short just to learn. Ang tunay na reyna, wala nang maraming patutsada at pang-aapak sa kapwa kandidata. Hayaan natin ang mga hurado ang humusga. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, and I'm very proud to represent from the beautiful province of Samar and Leyte. God bless everyone. Happy Fiesta, and I love you all. Thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Miss Cabanatuan City. Thank you very much. Ay, yung mga bata nga po dyan sa likod ng ating judges, baka po kayo'y nakakaano sa ating mga judges.
Thank you very much. I